children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, please do not go out of your house until there is no need. It is not safe, children, to go out. Hence, we all are providing you online education. So, enjoy. Today, in this video, we will discuss the important factor of Indian states, that is government. In this video, we will cover the each and every details of this concept. You have to watch the video carefully and completely. Kids, do you know what is government? What are its types? If you know about it, then it is awesome. And if you don't have any idea about it, then it is awesome. And if you do not have any idea about it, then do not worry. I am here today to discuss the concept of government. So, let's start the video. Firstly, we will discuss the concept of government. We have government that runs the country. Basically, a government is a group of people that has the power to rule in a country according to law. Government make laws, rules and regulation for easy running of country. There are two types of government, that is, number one, central government. Number two, state government. Firstly, we will discuss the concept of central government. Number two, state government. Firstly, we will discuss the concept of central government in detail. So, let's start. We have a government that runs the country. We call it the central government or the union government. The head of the central government is called the president. He has a council of ministers to help him. The head of these ministers is called the prime minister. The capital of a country is a place from where the central government operates. Delhi is the capital of India. The president, prime minister, and all other important officials of the central government have their offices in the national capital. Now we will discuss the state government. Each state of India has its own government called the state government. The head of a state government is called the governor. He has a council of ministers to help him. The head of these ministers is called the chief minister. Each state has its own capital. The governor, the chief minister, and all other important officials of the state government have their offices in the state capital. Some parts of the country are not under any state government. They are directly under the union government. They are called union territories. Each union territory has its own capital. Ladakh is the biggest union territory and Lakshadweep is the smallest. So this was the whole concept regarding government. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we will be back with another interesting topic to discuss. Till then, stay happy and enjoy.